Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. It is a new day. If you are new to meditation, do not worry about clearing your mind. Simply listen to my voice and follow the rhythm of your breath. We are here to prepare your brain for the day ahead, not through forced causativity, but through clinical clarity. Let's begin with your posture. Whether you are sitting or standing, lengthen your spine, as if a thread is pulling the top of your head toward the sky. Rest your hands loosely on your lap. We will breathe together to stabilize your nervous system. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Exhale slowly for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale deep. Hold. And release everything. Inhale deep. Hold. And release everything. Inhale deep. Hold. And release everything. Feel your feet firmly on the ground. You are grounded. You are present.